Hi, how's it going, everybody? I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange here in the Chicagoland area. Today I'm going to bring you a 1971 Chevy C-10 Cheyenne. This is going to be a long bed version when this is a factory big block car. So it technically has the 396 402 automatic bucket seat center console here, automatic column shift car with tilt, AM FM radio, full gauge package. I mean, the Cheyenne did come with a little bit extra, trim, wood grain, etc. So I've got some good photos on my website and a good write-up on the Cheyenne package on my website at mcecars.com, and the full list of some of the features that were upgraded on this truck, along with a lot of the factory equipment. So I'm going to start off doing a little interior demo for you. We'll go for a test drive. We'll do a quick walk around, show you all the lights working, some of the features on it, but we'll start with the interior here. Absolutely beautiful interior. Seats are in phenomenal condition. Carpet set, dashboard, everything's painted up very nicely. I mean, really no issues at all. Cargo lamp is currently working on the outside as well. I did just turn that on and off and test it. Crank windows on this one. I'll play with some of the features. On the dash there, I'm seeing the lights light up. We do have a tilt column. Looks like every gauge is working. Oil pressure is very high. Batteries right where it should be. I did see the speedo work. The tachometer is working, and fuel gauge is working. So everything on the dashboard seems to be working too. Radio is currently functioning as well. Play with some of the controls right here too. Fan is working. AC blowing cold. So this truck was actually restored, complete rotisserie restoration on this one, and the gentleman that actually owns a repair shop, so it was kind of second nature. It's always had really good maintenance done to it for its entire life. So we're seeing about 55,044 miles on the odometer currently, but absolutely perfect in the interior here. Everything seemed to be working, so let's go for a test drive now. Alright, so I'm going to go for my test drive right now. This is going to be a 373 Posi rear end on this one, hydromatic automatic transmission. I have it sitting at idle right now. It's got a good idle at about 750, 800, right where it should be. Shifting the gear smooth, so let's give it a... Wheels nice and straight, not falling side to side or anything. Great acceleration. Wow, I mean, this thing's right smooth as can be. It's kind of known for, trucks to ride like a truck, but in this thing is just right smooth. No rattles, no creaks, nothing. And you'll notice in my photo set, I've got some really good undercarriage shots, some good engine shots, interior. When this thing was restored, it was done to the highest of standards, so there was no cost spared on this one. Suspension's nice and tight on it. Brakes felt really good. Again, that big block, that power, you really feel it coming through. This 396 has put you in your seat. Getting the brakes a little hard here. Wheels completely straight, not moving whatsoever. Really liking this thing. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. Smooth shifts, no issues there. And that cherry bomb exhaust on this thing just makes it just sound that much more badass. Lights, have to check on them if they're working. Up front, interior lights are on. Wipers are working currently too. Shifting into reverse, nice and easy, right back to drive. So test drive, I've got not a single bad thing to say about the car, or the truck, I'm sorry. Just awesome. Yeah, this matching numbers, big block in this thing really kicks some ass. All right, let's go do a quick walk around now.